Pregnant women and children beware of canned tuna. Controversy is brewing after a consumer report found that canned tuna from a famous American brand had levels of mercury that pregnant women should not eat. This is a recent report by CBS based on a report by Consumer Reports. Mercury is a toxin that can affect brain development in fetuses and children. Consumer Reports, an independent nonprofit organization, investigated the mercury content of 10 canned tuna from 5 popular brands in the United States and found that some levels were very low, while others were much higher. I recommend staying away from canned food. Brands surveyed include Chicken of the Sea, Safe Catch, Star Kissed, Wild Planet, and Bumblebee All. These companies refuted that there is no problem with safety because the amount of mercury detected is below the allowable standard of the U.S. Federal Food and Drug Administration, FDA. The FDA's guidance is that pregnant women can eat canned tuna in limited amounts. Every canned food is different, but mercury levels can spike in unpredictable ways that could endanger the health of the unborn child, warned James Rogers, Director of Food Safety Research and Inspection for Consumer Reports. CBS News medical contributor Dr. David Argus explained that mercury can cause brain function and developmental delays in fetuses, and can impair reasoning and memory. Consumer Reports measured the mercury content of 30 canned samples of each brand's white tuna, alabata, and light tuna, bonito and yellowfin tuna, in water. Consumer Reports said it found individual mercury spikes in 6 of the 30 samples it tested, 1 in 5. Relatively lower levels of mercury were found in canned light tuna than canned white tuna. Consumer Reports found that canned albacore tuna contained 3 times more mercury than other products. Mercury, an impurity in coal, cannot be removed by cooking. When coal is burned, elemental mercury moves into the clouds, and when it rains, it comes down and becomes methylmercury, a type of heavy metal, in the ocean, Argus explained. Mercury accumulates in the body of marine animals that eat it, and the larger the fish that eats the smaller fish, the higher the accumulation. Larger, deeper water sharks and swordfish have high levels of mercury, while smaller, shallow water trout and salmon have very low levels of mercury.